And here we have a tile cleaning. The purpose of this tile cleaning is to remove the residue that's on this floor that's causing some severe resoiling issues. And the resoiling is coming from the high alkalinity products that were used by the client, unbeknownst to the client, of course. I always stress it to people I work for, whether it's a client or a customer, that stay away from those Swiffer wet jets. They are good at getting out stains on your floor. They are good at actually removing grease from the floor somewhat. However, those solvents are of high alkalinity. They're high alkaline products. They're soapy. They actually do more damage than good to your floors, especially floors like this, whether it's tile, hardwood, LVP. They are going to make your floors sticky, and they're going to resoil, and they are going to be worse than before. Now, I'm not just saying that they're going to be worse. They're going to be much worse, by far and away worse. So please, always mop with a neutral product. It might take longer. It might be harder. Use a neutral product. Just use a little bit more elbow grease when you're mopping. With that being said, I want to emphasize, mopping is not the end-all, be-all of floor care. Mopping is almost next to useless when it comes to floor care. You have to have your floors deep cleaned at least every quarter. It's best to get it done every month, but if you're on a tight budget and you want to hire somebody, it's best to get it at least done quarterly, because the mop just pushes the soil into those grout lines, into the crevices on your floors. It just moves soil from place to place for the most part. You extract some of the soil on your mop, but for the most part, it just moves from place to place. You need to do a thorough vacuuming, dry soil extraction, thorough water-soluble soil extraction. Whether it be with this type of machine, this is a SETT 360 extractor, or a box extractor with a brush that uses water and brushes the water up and extracts the water from the floor. Any of those machines will work. I prefer this one because not only are we able to extract the water, but we can polish the floor at the same time to make those floors look a little more brilliant, have a polished look, and appear cleaner and dry faster. That's why I prefer the SETT 360 extractor. We also have an SETT extractor that does a great job. It oscillates and it extracts water, extracts dirty water from your floor, as well as polishes your floor. I've showcased it many times on these videos, and I don't mean to be curt when I'm talking about floors, but clients, customers, please understand that these floors need to be deep cleaned. Mopping is next to useless. It's a little bit better than not doing anything at all, but not much.